In Uzbekistan, one dish reigns supreme: plov. More than rice and meat, it's a centuries old ritual of hospitality. Cooked at special occasions, let's make it. Use a deep based pan or saucepan with a lid, and to this on medium heat, add in 1/3 cup of oil. Here I've used sunflower oil. Once the oil heats up, add in 2 medium onions chopped finely. Allow the onions to brown slightly and then add in half a kg of lamb or beef. For this recipe, I've used beef curry pieces. Add in enough boiling water to cover the meat and allow this to cook until the meat has softened. For me, this took about 40 to 45 minutes to cook until soft. Once the meat has softened, add in 1 bay leaf, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and allow this to cook for another 15 minutes. Then add in about 2 medium carrots as sliced here, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and make sure they're seedless raisins, and 1 can of chickpeas drained of all the water. Toss everything together and immediately thereafter, add in 1.5 cups of basmati rice, which I've soaked for about 20 to 30 minutes before. Add in about 3 cups of water, enough just to cover the rice. Add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt over the rice. Without stirring, cover the saucepan and allow the rice to cook until soft. The rice took about 15 minutes to cook and you have the most amazing, fragrant Uzbek plov. This smells so fragrant and the rice cooked soft to perfection. This is not just a recipe, it's an experience. Try making it yourself and you'll taste not only a delicious meal, but a piece of living history. Let me know how it turned out for you. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, hitting the notification bell. See you in the next episode.